Excel can feel like a jungle when you're just starting out. Rows, columns, formulas, and buttons everywhere. But today, I'm going to show you 3 simple tips that will instantly make Excel way less intimidating. Title! Alright, straight to the tips. Now, there are going to be chapters in this video, so you can go to the tip that you think will help you the most, or if you want, you can stay around for the entire video and get all the tips that are offered. Now, a quick heads up, the control key on your keyboard is going to be your new best friend. And if you stick around till the end, we've even got a little bonus tip using Copilot in Microsoft 365 that beginners will absolutely love. So, let's jump straight in. Tip number 1, Autofill. First up is Autofill, one of the biggest time savers for beginners in Excel. Open up a workbook and then in a cell type something like Monday, January, or even a number sequence 1, 2, 3, and so on. And then grab the little square in the bottom right corner of that cell. That's the fill handle. And then just drag it down. Excel recognizes patterns, days of the weeks, months, numbers, formulas, and it fills them in automatically. No more typing the same thing again and again. And if you want to repeat the same value instead of creating a sequence, hold Control while dragging, and it'll do that. Number 2, quick formatting. Next, let's talk formatting. And beginners often dig through menus trying to find fonts, borders, or number formats without knowing where they are. But there's a shortcut for that opens everything that you need. By selecting a cell and then pressing Ctrl+1, this will open up the Format Cells window. And this is your control center for number formatting, alignment, borders, fill colors, and even protection. Everything is in one place here, so no more searching for those things that you need. So if there's one shortcut that you need to learn, make it this one. Number 3, turn your data into a table. Finally, the most underrated beginner feature is Excel tables. Here you simply highlight the data that you want and press the keys Ctrl+T. Now your data becomes a smart table with built-in features like automatic filtering, easy sorting, alternating row colors, auto-expanding formulas, cleaner charts, and so on. Tables make your data easier to read and much harder to break, and you can use the drop-down arrows at the top and instantly filter your data without writing a single formula. Bonus tip, Copilot in Excel. Here's a bonus tip that can save beginners hours using Copilot in Excel if you have a Microsoft 365 personal or family subscription. Copilot is built right into Excel and it helps you understand your data without needing formulas or advanced skills. To start using this, simply select the data that you want and then click the Copilot button in the ribbon at the top underneath the Home tab. And then in the prompt box, you can type something simple like summarize this data for me, or find any trends, or even create a chart that helps me understand this. And then Copilot will instantly give you a breakdown of what's going on, and even ask you what data you want to focus on. It will then give you totals, averages, patterns, even suggested charts. And you can accept these, tweak them, or ask follow-up questions in plain English. Now, why is this great for beginners? Well, no formulas needed, no chart building skills required, relieving that fear of breaking something, and you also get to learn Excel as you go. So if you're new to Excel and you're not sure where to start, Copilot is like having a friendly guide sitting right next to you. And that's it. 3 simple Excel tips for beginners and a bonus one that will make your spreadsheets cleaner, faster, and way easier to manage. Now, if you found this video helpful, hit that like button so more beginners can find it too. And if you want more quick Excel tutorials, shortcuts, and beginner-friendly guides, make sure that you subscribe and turn on notifications. Thanks for watching. I've been Matt, you've been watching Expert Zone UK and I will catch you all on the flip side. Peace!